I'm freaking hungry. I want to see what's in the kitchen. I'm freaking hungry. Should I get a
Who's in the kitchen?
Fennekin, I want to drink.
I swear to God, who's in the fucking kitchen?
Fennekin, how do you make macaroni again?
Read the label, you stupid ass fox.
Shut up.
Don't talk to the narrator like that. Just read the labels, you dumbass fox.
How should be water? Hey, Fennekin, I gotta keep quiet because they're gonna make noise. They're gonna wake up. Evie? Evie was in the kitchen. Evie.
Papa, what's up?
Evie sounds in the kitchen. Evie.
Papa, I'm gonna go to the house.
No, Evie.
Papa, Fanny, Evie, come over here.
No, Evie.
Papa!
Evie. Oh my God. Evie, look where you're hanging out. Evie, that's not even Evie.
Papa, when are you gonna stop saying Evie?
Why are you hitting me?
Oh, Papa, it was you?
I'm trying to make macaroni.
Oh, Papa, that's easy. Papa, watch her run.
Evie was late. Look up a light. Right there, Kmart.
Put the whole thing in.
No. Alright, Bowser, all you gotta do is put it in the microwave.
Papa!
You'll find whatever I'll do it, because I'm smarter. Alright, close it.
Papa, I'm smarter than you. Come here.
Okay, Evie, so Evie, how long?
Papa,
Leave 15.
move.
Evie, you're not funny, Evie, you're a bully. Why can't you speaking facts?
Papa, shut up.
Evie, what are we gonna do in that time, Evie? Oh, I guess I can see what else we got. Oh! Muffins!
Fat bitch.
Evie, you got more time, Evie. How did I come in? What am I gonna do now?
Just leave, fat bitch.
I'm thirsty. Yellow or orange? I'm yellow. Wait a second now.
Fat bitch.
I don't know how to stir it. How to kick you now? Oh, I'm finished. How to count it, Junior? Nee, Evie, I'm gonna have myself Evie. Evie!
Yeah.
Let's go now. Sit over. You freaking fat.
Papa, my pineapple.
Stop. 30 minutes later. Oh, I'm sleepy.
You encrypt the mess.
No. Oh. Bye, Evie.
I hate them.
I'm sleepy. I'm just
Go to bed.